What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. Man, what a day we had today. The S&P 500 straight boomed after that CPI report came out showing cooling inflation, boosting hopes for a Fed cut. But man, the markets went crazy after that. You seen it. Everybody seen it. We was able to capitalize on some plays. It felt good to have some bullish momentum because we've been having these crazy tug of war games for the last couple days. So this was very exciting to see. It was fun. We're going to dive into the charts here in a little bit and identify areas of interest for you to be able to know for continuation into Wednesday's session. But before we do that, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. Let's get it. First one we're going to look at is going to be ticker symbol LLY. Man, we smacked this one out of the ballpark today. I had a play out there. I said LLY. Bulls need to recover 636.80. Holding above, you got 639.50. Then Bulls will try to push this up to the test at 644.30. We take it back to the charts and we seen that break. Once they got that break right over here, they came down right here. And man, I told you what was going to happen. We bust through this area right here. They were going to boom it. And that's exactly what they did. Boom. We did one better. I called out 644. We got the 645. And family, you see this formation, you already know what's ready to happen. I'm telling you, candlestick formations is a lifesaver. If you start being able to identify what the candlesticks are trying to tell you, you will put more money in your pocket. And if you see they ran up here, they came down. If you look left, you see what's going on. They forming a top. What happens when we form that double top? We come sliding all the way back down. So that was a good take profit area. If you took profit at that 644 that I called out, that was a amazing run up. So champagne bottles in the air for everybody that caught that play. Keep doing the doggone thing. I'm super duper proud of each and every one of y'all. Let's get into these charts. Newbies, beginners, I got one for you. First ticker up is going to be SOFI. This was another one. If you watched the video last night, free game, you was able to take advantage of that ride up. I told you guys in last night video, once we broke through this area right over here, we was going to get surging. We was going to get busy. I called out this level right here at 2370 all the way down from this area down here. This 2285. Newbies, beginners, that is a amazing run up in these low cap tickers. And we got rejected. If you took profit at the area that I gave, you made you a nice bag today. So for continuation, we want to see them continue to hold this 2370 level. If they can do that, consolidating above this level, they're going to shoot their shot up to this area right here at 2420. So there you go, to the upside, to the downside. You want to see them open lower than 2345. They can do that. Next level down, you got 2325, and then boom, you got 2305 in play. Advanced traders, where y'all at? Let's get busy. First one out of the gate was going to be one that we ain't really talked about in a while. PLTR. You see, they made some moves on the day. If you are a bull in this one, they're sitting at 186.90. You want to see them open somewhere above these areas right here. This level at 188.20. If they can do that, they shooting their shot right back to these highs at 188.85 before their next leg up to the upside. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 186.40. If they can do that, next level down is this stuff right here, 185.90. Next level down, you got this stuff right here, 185.05, and they can slowly melt this thing back down, back to 183.60 before the bulls try to pop that thing back up. Next ticker up is going to be ticker symbol NVDA. With this one right here, I have an area of interest. I won't even think about this play right here until they start consolidating above 183.75. They can start doing that. You see how many times they got rejected from that. So they're due for a major major pop after that. If you count the times, we got rejected over here. They came up, they tried to get there, they couldn't do it. They fell back down. They ran it up here. What happened? They ran back down. They did it again. They had a major fall back down. That is a heavy level of interest, a heavy level where the bears are sitting at, this 183.80 area. So innocent until proven guilty. Once they start consolidating above that one or opening above it, it's going to suggest some higher stuff. 185 will be in play. 185, 187. To the downside, what you want to see is them open lower than these bottoms right here at 181.75. They can do that. Next level down, you got 180.85, and then boom, 179.45 on deck. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? I got a couple for you guys. First one out of the gate is gonna be Tesla. Tesla sitting at 340.80. If you are a bull in this one, you want to see them open higher than 342.50. If they can do that, next level up is gonna be 345.20. Then boom, they're gonna shoot their shot right back to 347.40. However, this area right here is gonna cause some problems right there. That will form a top somewhere around 346.45. Bears will be sitting in that area to try to smack it. What you want to see for continuation to the higher stuff, you want to see them get above this 347.35. If they can consolidate above that, next level up, boom, they're gonna run this thing up to 351.90. So there you go. To the upside, to the downside, you want to see them open lower than 338.50. If they can do that, next level down is these bottoms right here at 337.05. Next level, you got some turbulence at 336.20, and then boom, they're gonna shoot their shot back down to 333.30. It start getting ugly in this one when they start losing this area right here, 327.15. You see them coming down to that level and they consolidating up under it, you already know we pulling all the way back down to this 320, and it continues to get ugly from there. So we want to stay away from that. Make no mistake about it. As long as Tesla hanging in these 340s, they are solid. They are still bullish. Don't waste your time thinking about puts. Can you make some money on some puts? Absolutely. You can make some money on that downside right there, but don't be greedy. Take your profits, move on. This play is bullish, innocent until proven guilty. Once they start crashing through key areas of interest, then we'll worry about the other side. Again, you can scalp this thing, but be greedy with your profits. See profits, take profits. Don't let that thing sneak back up on you and take your money away. So there you go in that one right there. Last but not least, we got the SPY, and you see SPY did its thing. SPY is still getting busy. They're sitting at 642.70. If you are a bull in this one, keep raising your stops. If you gonna play this play and it's continuing to move towards that 645 area, keep raising those stops. That way you get captured in profit. Do not let this thing reverse against you. If you are a bear, you want to see them open lower than 641.40. If they can do that right there, next level down, they can slowly grind this thing down. 640.30. Next level down, you got 638.90. Again, this one is bullish. All you got to do is look at your chart and you can tell this is super bullish. So again, innocent until proven guilty. We ain't guessing in these plays right here. Me personally, I wouldn't be throwing no calls at SPY right now. They're an all-time high. So I'd be looking for a healthy pullback before I think about calls to try to ride that thing back up. But hey, that's my strategy. You find you a strategy that works for you. Stick by it, live by it, and honor that thing 100%. Set that stop loss and let nature take its course. We're going to dominate this thing tomorrow. Can't wait to see y'all in the Discord. I done took enough of your time, but if you like sniper tight, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVDA, Tesla, PLTR, HUT, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join us in the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.